Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today is an interesting day. First major meet that I'm going to this season. It's a meet organized by VQ North. It's a Facebook group. It's a very good, positive group. It's actually organized by a good friend of mine from Desi Auto. It's a Renault group, so a group of Renault owners will join and, they'll show up their car. A lot of things will sound like trumpet. There's a lot of 18-year-olds, teenage, ridiculous stuff we're gonna see. I hope the takeover guys don't show up, but it is a Renault meet, so you never know. Lately, there's a lot of Renault on the takeovers. Yeah, so we're gonna go to 41 Dixie and their parking lot, and we're gonna see a lot of Renaults. And my squad is going there too, so we're gonna see a couple of Z32. So let's start up. It's a cold start after don't know how many days. Look who I find on the way there. It's an R34 GTT, not a GTR, but I know him. He lives up the road and pretty nice guy. I think he's going to the VQ meet too. So we'll catch up with him. All right, seems like we're here. I see a lot of Renault. So I did a terrible parking job as usual. Jaden, I didn't get your name.
Regel.
Yeah,
That's my baby there.
awesome. XXRs, fake wheels. Oh yeah, these are salty. Love it. That is a fake Volks, by the way. ESR. So, see the link in the description. ESR is a very interesting wheel company. I have been following them lately. Give them a follow. And guess who it is here? Oh man. Did you see my car?
No, which one is the bring?
The Z. The guys saved a spot for me.
Oh, that's nice.
I was shocked that they could actually save it.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like in the beginning, we were in a lot
No,
of same spots.
I came like 15 minutes ago. The shark fins are great. Yeah, that's low. I just came to see the wheel. Oh man, these wheels are so nice. Unfreaking believable. They are like the Ferrari F40. Car is clean. Car is clean. Holy! 359. Car has 359,000 kilometers. Yeah. There's no zero in front of it, right?
I didn't see it. Maybe it's like
I don't know. 359. Car is good, man. This is a good looking car.
original paint, most likely.
Well, it's a little less chassis. Clean. Definitely clean. Typical S chassis behavior. Like, if you have an S chassis and you have a fully painted car like this, well, not like that because it has rust in it. Like, you're not supposed to have a fully painted car. Then you're not a part of S chassis. It's supposed to be raggedy ass. Like, look here. You can't, if you have an S chassis and you spend the money and buy a good set of wheels, don't. You have to find a 4-bolt and do a 5-bolt conversion. And that's the only way you can put it on an S chassis. This is nice. Yes. There you go. ESR. I love this ESR brand. They're coming up with some really nice ideas. So if you don't mind me asking, when you're grading a car, what do you look for?
I'm very experienced with the whole show side of things. I go to a lot of the bigger shows, so I'm judging in those aspects, like say suspension setup, stance, wheels, overall how clean it is, body lines, paint condition, basically the car as an overall. So it's broken down into different categories points wise. So you'd score different amount of points in each category depending on how much you have actually added to it and how clean those are actually done on top of it.
Would you grade somebody differently if they have, let's say, a rep wheel?
Wheels and fitment are one thing and together. Like you have some crazy 3-piece wheel that's fully custom built. Yes, it's gonna have more points than say a rep wheel, right? But if it's good fitment, you're still gonna get points for that.
Okay.
If it's a rep wheel, I'm not just, how does it look on the car? Does it suit the car? Does it suit the style of the car? Does it work together?
All
right? Like I'm not discriminating against anyone. I'm looking at the car as a whole.
All right.
No,
I just wanted to know. Thank you for your time, and I'm sure you're judging like 150 cars today. Take care, man.
Well, you too. Have a good day.
He's the owner.
Oh,
Yeah. How are you, man? Nice to meet you. That's really nice. Metal
so
captain.
my rim, I bought it used, but the guy I bought it from used it for a season.
Really?
Yeah.
So here's my 1977 Datsun 710. My father's first car he bought brand new when he came to Canada. Original motor. We restored the whole car. Original Datsun paint. If you look at the mileage, it's got 29,000 miles on it.
What?
So it's turned over 3 times, right? You can see it in there. You can see it. Yeah.
So
43 years old, 77 Datsun
it only
710.
goes 5 digits. So
There
every
you go.
time you go
99,
99, it just starts from
Flips
1.
over.
So it's turned over 5 times.
So I exposed, but I could have said it's 29,000 clicks, right?
Oh my
And
god.
then you
So it's
see-
an auto. Nice.
Yeah.
They had an
We
auto.
only had, this is 710, it's not 510, there's only auto in this.
Okay.
Yeah. So 510 is a common one, 710 is a rare one.
Yeah.
And then once again, motor's all original.
All right, so on the way home, I don't know how much footage of that is actually usable because they had copyrighted music going on. So let's see how much I can actually use. But you know, overall, it was a nice Renault meet. I expected a little bit more shenanigans, but no, it was pretty nice. So the guys at VQ Up North, I give you props. I think you guys pulled off a really nice meet, and looking forward to joining you guys next season. And if it's your first time in my channel, you will know I am a huge Nissan enthusiast. I've got a couple of Z's, a Skyline, and not a Renault. So hit the subscribe button, bell notification, all the hate, leave it in the comments.